Hello everyone, in today's video I would like to show you how I build my home gym. My main constraint was to make it fit in a standard Japanese room of 6 tatami size and to be able to train for Sasuke Ninja Warrior, but also standard weight training and calisthenic training. The main structure is made out of steel pipe that you can find in any home center for quite cheap, and metal fittings that I bought online on a website called Tankan DIY Lando. The main advantage of these fittings compared to the one you can find in home center is that you don't need to drill anything to attach them. You just use a X key to fasten them or loosen them. There is also no part that is sticking out, meaning that you have less risk of injury if you accidentally hit them while training. And finally, they make less noise if the structure is moving. I designed this gym to be as modular as possible. The 3 bars on the top are movable and I can attach to them rod, ball, cliffhanger board, climbing rope, or even the pulley that you can see on the back. I initially bought this pulley to train my one-arm pull-up, but it was not really easy to use because the cable were too long. Instead, I have been using it to train my planche. On the top of my gym, I installed 3 cliffhanger boards. The center one is movable and I can adjust the distance if I want to train for crazy cliffhanger. And finally, for the rest of my training, I use either push-up bar, dumbbell, or parallel bar. So thank you for watching this video, and if you'd like to see more content like this one, please subscribe. If you have any question, please put in the comments in either French, English, or Japanese. I don't plan to put really my training video on this channel, but you can find them on my Instagram. So now I leave you with a fast forward video of the building process of this gym. Bye!